This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Ken Ledbetter. Welcome to a rare find in the desirable Waterlynn community. This home is the only home in the neighborhood with this floor plan featuring over 3,700 square feet. Home boasts 2-story with basement. First floor features include office area, formal dining area, half bath, family area, and open kitchen with 2 pantries, stainless steel appliances, double oven, gas stove top. Basement features full kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, laundry area and an open living area that can serve as mother-in-law suite or apartment. Upstairs has landing with loft area, master suite with large bathroom and walk-in closet, laundry on upper level, and 3 more bedrooms with 1 full bathroom. The backyard is great for entertaining with new decking and pavers, also fully fenced. Community amenities include pool with kiddie pool area, playground, and walking trail. Lighting in downstairs hallway outside of half bath does not convey. Pool table does not convey. Please do not let the cat out. For more information.